Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. Today we're fixing the error at hooking API LoadStringA. Dumping first 32 bytes. A lot of people get this in different games. GTA 5, Roblox, Fortnite, emulators. But the fix is always the same. To fix it, we're going to run a couple of Windows repair commands. First, open the Start menu, type cmd, then right-click Command Prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. Now just copy the same commands I'm running on screen. These commands scan your system, repair damaged files, and reset the Windows components that cause this error. Now the second command, and make sure if it didn't work, I usually have another one that it may work. And here is example like in the video, so don't worry. Check the notepad I'm using the other. Once the commands finish, restart your PC. This is important because Windows needs to apply the repairs. Now launch your game again. In most cases, the error disappears completely and everything works normally. And that's it. Simple fix for the LoadStringA API hooking error. If it worked for you, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what game you were trying to run. Thanks for watching.